everyone. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm Miss Nene and welcome to Miss Nene's Art. Today I am doing a ring pour, I believe. I was trying to decide between a ring pour or a straight pour. I guess it's going to be one or the other. Probably going to be a ring pour. I am working on a 12 by 24 inch canvas. My background's going to be black and I'm only using two colors today. I'm going to be using Master's Touch Silver and Deco Arts Shimmering Silver. The two, even though they're both silver, one is darker than the other. I don't know if the camera can pick up on that or not, but the lighter one is the Master's Touch and the darkest one here is the Deco Art Shimmering Silver. So I'm just gonna lay the paint down and I'm just gonna do that, see how it turns out. Here we go. This idea just kind of popped into my head this afternoon, actually. So I was trying to think of something to do that I haven't really done. And I haven't really done, you know, just silver and black. That's it. Just basically, I guess it's technically two colors, but it's, you know, just silver and the black. I've been so busy these past couple of days trying to get ready for Christmas, and all my kids are grown. My oldest is 30, the next one is 28, and then my youngest, which is 21. So I'm just all about the grandbabies this year, because I have 3. If you've seen my other videos, the one where we all went to the apple orchard, those are my little grandbabies. So it's all about them this year. And it's fun. I love Christmas, and I love it even more when it involves the little ones because they're so excited. Oh my God, did you see that? I literally had a piece of plastic stuck to my glove, and when I moved, it went straight across the paint like that. So now I'm gonna have to turn this into I guess a Wreck-It ring pour, which was not my plan, but since this piece of clear plastic was stuck to my glove, and when I finished pouring, I went to move back and it slid across the paint. Now I have to change this and do something that I wasn't planning on doing. So, okay, that happens. Weird, very weird, but it happens. So I just wanted to pop in and let you know what was going on if you didn't see that. Well, the painting must go on. Okay, well, here we are. Here's a close-up of the wet results. And I think it turned out pretty good considering the mishap with the plastic paper that just happened to be stuck on my glove. I mean, that's crazy. When it happened, I thought, okay, it's time to improvise. But you know what? That's what happens. Something always gonna go wrong. But did it really go wrong? I love how this turned out. I love the little bit of negative space that I left. And here are the dry results. So, oh my God, that silver, I love that. Originally I was just going to use one silver, and then I noticed that I had another one and it was a different color or darker. And so I decided to go ahead, why not use both? I think that would be beautiful contrast. And I love the black. lines in between the silver. Turned it into a wreck. And I'm not really that great at ring pours. I've never really done a wreck pour. I think I've done it once. But you know, that's what's so beautiful about fluid art. You just try different things, go out of your comfort zone and see how it turns out. And I love how this turned out. Guys, let me know what you think. How did it turn out? Do you love this design, this surprise design that I came up with by accident? That you like the color combination? Just let me know. So, guys, I'm going to pop out of here. I hope you guys have a beautiful, beautiful Christmas and enjoy the rest of the year. I'll probably be doing a couple more videos before the end of 2020. Stay safe. And I want you to know that I appreciate you. And I'm probably going to do a review video. So look for that maybe. Thanks so much for joining me, guys. Stay safe, like I said before, and see you soon. Bye-bye.